Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, let's do the review of this Mivi DuoPods F30. So I have already posted its unboxing and overview. Now in this video, let's cover its full review with its pros and cons. And let me share my experience on using this device. I'm already using this device for a past more than 1 week. So based on my impression, I'm going to share this review. Well, first of all, in terms of design, so this Mivi DuoPods F30 is completely fully designed with the plastic material. Hold the charging case and inside the earbuds are all made of a plastic, but it is also most durable thing. It is not having like a cheap quality of plastic material, not having more scratches. And then this charging case actually comes with the USB Type-C port, so using the Type-C cable you can charge this charging case. And after that, inside the charging case you will have a 4 LED lights, so which actually denotes the charging case battery. If it's having a single light, means having the charging case have a minimum level of battery only, and the 4 lights will actually blinks, means the charging case is having a full level of battery. And this Mivi DuoPods F30 earbuds is actually designed in a stem type like design, and in terms of wearing, it is very comfortable for wearing. So even I am going for a jogging or a walking or running somewhere else, wearing is too good. But the wearing is completely depends upon the each one ear size. But for mine, this earbud is completely comfortable for me, but based on the ear size, the earbuds wearing comfortable can be determined. So but for mine it really works well. And then this earbuds is actually fully made of a touch controls, and the touch sensitivity is also very good. So I can able to easily play, pause, or I can even able to volume control the volume to a higher or lower, so right from the earbud itself, and at any time or anywhere also. So the earbud touch controls are very sensitive and you can easily use that. And next, moving on to the connectivity. So I have actually connected this Mivi DuoPods F30 in the multiple Android smartphones and in iPhone, smart TV, laptop, computers, like that. All types of devices I have actually connected. So it is actually connected to all the devices, and you can able to hear the songs also in all the devices without any connection issues. But in terms of connection range, so there is a difference between the devices. So for example, I have firstly connected this device in this Redmi 9 Power, but I am facing slightly connection range issues in the Redmi 9 Power while walking through a road. But while I am connecting with this Vivo V15 Pro smartphone, but that time while similarly I'm going through a walk, I didn't face any connection range issues. And also I didn't face any connection range issues in the laptop, iPhone and smart TV also. So the connection range also differs based on the devices you are pairing or you are connecting. So based on mine, so the connection range is slightly having issues only in the Redmi 9 Power, and apart from that all other devices will have a good connection range. So in terms of connectivity also it's too good. Then now let's moving on to its audio quality. So in terms of audio quality, it has a very good audio quality. It has a good bass sounds and the vocals are also clear. But what I feel that in case if vocals are more crystal clear, means so that will be a more good experience on hearing the audios. So overall in terms of audio quality it's good. So also you can able to experience the stereo like effects. So in case of some of the audios you are listening, so it will have a stereo effects, like you can able to hear the some of the musics in the left earbud and right earbud, vice versa. So like that musics you can able to experience while you are hearing the songs. And also I have just connected this earbud with the multiple devices and I have checked the audio quality. So while I'm connecting with the Android devices, it's also works good, but compared to the Android devices, while I'm connecting with the iPhones, so I can able to feel a better audio quality experience on the iPhones. And as well as I also watched some of the movies in the smart TV too. So while I'm watching movies in the smart TV also, so it has a very good latency, and all the devices it has a very good latency. So while watching movies in the TV, smart TV also, so it has a very good latency, and I can able to hear the all types of sounds and the vocals and all the lyrics in the movies I can able to hearable. And then while I'm connecting with the laptop also, I have actually edited a video with this earbud, so it has a very good latency while I'm using the laptop also. So these earbuds actually performs well, and I'm actually using the Asus TUF gaming laptop, so in that laptop it connected really well. And similarly in the all types of devices, the audio quality is best while you are pairing this Mivi DuoPods F30. Next, moving on to its gaming performance, and I am not a ardent gamer, so I didn't know how to play a game. Based on some of the skills I am having, I played some time on gaming, and during the playing a Battleground India mobile game, so at that time it is having a very good latency, and I can able to identify whether enemies come from the left or right in the both left and right earbuds, vice versa. So apart from that, I can able to hear the footsteps and some of the gunshot like that. So in terms of gameplay also, it really works well. So you can able to hear the gunshot. In case if a gunshot coming from the right means you can able to hear in the right earbud, and in case if a gunshot comes from the left side means you can able to hear in the left earbud. So overall in terms of gaming also, it really works well. Then now let's moving on to the call quality. So in terms of call quality, so it is also performs good, but not that much good in the outer conditions. But in case if you are inside a room like that means, so and also if you are in a street with no more noise condition like that means, so at that circumstance you can easily able to speak calls, and the opposite one can clearly able to hear all your vocals. But in case if you are speaking calls in the outside in more as circumstance, or if in case if you are going through a bike like that means, so at that time, so in case if you are going through a bike and more wind noise like that means, and at that time the opposite one can't able to hear your voices, so the opposite one can able to hear the complete background noise. So this earbud is suitable for speaking calls during no noise condition and during in the silent circumstance only. Now next moving on to the battery consumption. So I didn't know the what is the actual image of battery available in this earbud and the charging case, so I just mentioned in the overlay here in case if I know means. In terms of battery charging and its consumption, so to charge this whole battery charging case and both the earbud, it takes only 1 hour. So it has a Type-C port connectivity. You can use your mobile adapter also, so to charge this charging case. So it takes only around 1 hour only to complete a full charge. And in terms of battery consumption, so the each earbud will actually gives you up to 6 hours of a continuous music playback. So in case if you are hearing a audio in a single earbud means, so you can it gives up to 6 hours of audio playback. And you can also again in case if battery is lost means, you can just place the earbud in this charging case, and after that this earbud will be actually again goes for charging, and then you can use the other earbud and you can hear for another 6 hours for a continuous music playback. There is no condition like you want to use only one earbud like that. You can hear both the earbuds also. So if hearing both the earbuds also, you will get up to 6 hours of a continuous music playback. And you can refill the earbuds battery by again placing in the charging case. So the charging case will gives you up to 3 to 4 times of a earbuds battery. So totally around to sum it up, it will gives 25 to 35 hours of a continuous music playback. So and hold the charging case and earbuds charging will actually takes only 1 hour. So in terms of overall battery consumption, it's really good for this price segment. Well, now these are all my review of this Mivi DuoPods F30 Bluetooth wireless earbud. Now moving on to some pros and cons. So in terms of pros, I really like this design. The audio quality is good, and gaming performance is also good, and mainly indoor call quality is good, and battery consumption is really good. And then moving on to the con section. So the one thing I have faced is that it has some of the slightly connection range issues. So in some of the devices I connected, so having a slightly connection range issues while I am connected and going through a walk. So at that time I can't able to hear the audios continuously. So slightly audio flickering I can able to feel. And after that, in terms of outer call quality, in case if you are speaking calls in the outer side in the more noisy circumstance means, at that time you can't able to speak calls with a more good experience. The opposite one can clearly able to hear the complete background noises in your circumstance. So these are the two cons I can feel in this earbud. And apart from that, on viewing with this price segment, these two cons is actually considerable. It is actually priced under ₹1000 price segment. So overall it is one of the best earbud under ₹1000 price segment. Now what are your guys thoughts on this Mivi DuoPods F30? Let me know in the comment section below. And in case if you guys already using this earbud means, let me share your experience about on using this earbud in the comment section below. Well, that's all about this video guys, and hopefully if you guys like this video, hit the like button, and if you guys like to watch my upcoming videos, hit the subscribe button below. And thanks for watching this video guys.